I'm going to be showing y'all guys how to make GlitterSlimes Cake Batter Ice Cream Slime. So y'all guys will be needing some glue, which this brand is recommended. This is by the brand I Imagine. Y'all can also use Elmer's, but Elmer's is way too thick for this slime, so I would recommend using this. Y'all guys will also need any kind of lotion, which I'm using this brand by Perfect Purity. And this one is the best brand of foaming hand soap that y'all guys should get, but only because it's cupcake scented, which we're making a one that needs to be cupcake scented, and it's the color of a cupcake batter. And y'all guys will need some sprinkles, which we made by cutting up little thin pieces of rubber bands, but y'all can also use polymer clay and some Model Magic air dry clay and a bowl and a spoon and some contact solution and baking soda, which I just have it in this jar. Okay, so I believe that's all of the ingredients. So the first step is you want to open up your glue and pour in about half of it. So I poured in about half, which this is a 4 ounce. So this slime is going to be a 2 ounce. And then what y'all want to do after that is add in a lot of lotion. So I added in a lot, about that much. And now y'all guys just want to mix it up until it's combined. And it's looking something like this, which it's kind of hard to see because the bowl is white. Okay, and now what y'all want to do is take the foaming hand soap and add in about 5 or 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what I was talking about. As y'all guys can see here, it is the color of a batter, and it also smells like a cupcake. So after that, y'all guys just want to mix it. And then what y'all want is this. This is Model Magic, and basically you want to take out about this much. A little bit less than that actually. So about this much. And since this slime is since this clay is like really not stretchy, what y'all want to do is take some lotion and add it into it, and then just like mix it in. Which while you're doing this, be sure to hold it over the bowl just in case any of the lotion falls. Now as y'all guys can see, it's making it be a lot more stretchy. Which you do not want to add this in right now, but this is going to be for later, so just set it off to the side. So now what y'all guys want to do is take some baking soda and put in about that much. I just put in like a few pinches. And then y'all guys just want to mix it. Which my spoon is broken because in the last video y'all guys seen it break, and we just did not have any more, so we're gonna get some. So now what y'all guys want to do is just add in the contact solution and mix. So once your slime is fully activated, it should look something like this. So now what you want to do is take your model magic that we added lotion into earlier, and sorry Aries for getting some on you. And then after that you just want to add it in like this and combine it. It's kind of sticky, but we want that because the model magic is going to make it not be sticky anymore. And it is important that you add in the model magic because it will make it be more like a butter slime, which is what we want because we want this slime to be really stretchy and spreadable.
And also, I would like to say, this is by far the best slime I've ever made. I don't know about Ari, but for me, it's by far the best.
Now we're going to take some sprinkles and add it in. And this is a very important step. I feel like I
Hang on, wait, leave it like that. I'm about to screenshot it. There we go.
On camera? Okay. And this is what it looks like. And now what you'll want to do is just mix it, which I'm trying to get a good shot of this, just because it's going to be really satisfying.
And whenever you're done with this, it should feel amazing. Like,
it's really stretchy, as you guys can see.
It looks really good because of all the sprinkles. It looks like a cake. It smells great. It smells exactly like a cupcake if you used
this. Which if y'all guys could not find this, any foaming hand soap would work. But
it won't scent like a cupcake unless you get that or
essential oil.
Yeah, essential
scented
oil.
Like a cupcake. And this slime turned out amazing. It looks exactly like GlitterSlimes, and it feels exactly like hers. And with this slime, y'all guys do not want it to be over activated. So before y'all guys add in the model magic or Daiso, make sure that it's not that sticky. Because we want it to be very smooth and stretchy. And if y'all's slime gets like unscented, y'all can add in a little bit more of this.
And as long as you like mix it around, it won't mess up the clay, and it still will be the same color. Just don't add too much, I guess. I don't even know if you can use too much. Can you?
It probably would be wise not to add in so much to where it's like smelling so strong.
Yeah.
I would only add in a maximum of 10 to 11 pumps. 5 at the least, though. Anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And Aries, anything you want to say?
We worked very hard on this, and we've made it like as perfect as possible for the OCD people, and that's what we will be doing for y'all in particular, so that way y'all will enjoy it as much as everybody else. Okay?
Y'all guys want to see one last swirl? Y'all guys like it whenever I swirl the slime? Comment down below. Comment down below y'all's favorite kind of slime. Butter, fishbowl, cloud. My favorite kind of slime is butter.
Mine is cloud.
Oh, and also comment down below if y'all guys know where to get instant snow, because we had some, but we don't have anymore.
Yeah.
And we tried looking in Walmart on one aisle.
And it's storming outside, and it's 10 minutes, so.
Okay, bye guys.